My name is Ayush, and today we're going to talk about how rain is formed. So, rain is formed from a little river. As you can see right here, that's a river, which is leading to a big ocean. We're just going to imagine that's an ocean. Okay, and then that's a river. So, the ocean and the rivers, as you know, are connected. But then comes the sun's part. The sun's part is basically it shines on the ocean, which makes an invisible gas called vapor. Vapor is an invisible gas that transformed into a cloud. We're going to imagine that as vapor. This is called evaporation. So it goes up and makes a cloud. The cloud has many water particles from the vapor, like right here, that keep on bouncing. Well, you're probably thinking, how can water bounce? Because it's like water, it has mass. So how can it bounce? So you can think of it this way. The cloud is a car and then the water particles are passengers. So the car is moving and then they're getting pushed. So they keep on bouncing until they're big enough, until they're too heavy and they get dropped. So you're probably thinking that if the vapor goes above the ocean, then the rain should only be on top of the ocean. But that's not the case. What the cloud does, as you know, the cloud is technically vapor, invisible gas. So a gas is a wind. The wind moves over fields, landscapes, mountains, cities, and other places that you can think of. And from there, it travels back into the river. It uses like drains and sewers and other stuff to come back into the river. So after it does that, it goes into the river and the whole process is done again. That is called a water cycle. A water cycle is the vapor, here I'll write it down, is vapor, which turns into the clouds, then that turns into the rain. That turns into rain. There's also an experiment that you can do with it. So basically have a warm cup of water and then put a plate on top of it. Wait a few minutes and then you can see the fog. Here, I'll represent it. This is a glass, and then that is the water. And then you heat it up, that's warm water, then it'll make vapor inside the glass. You can call that water vapor. You can see the fog in the glass. And if the plate's right here, that's the plate, okay? What happens to the plate is you can imagine that the plate is a cloud. The vapor goes up onto the cloud / plate, and it creates water particle like up here. So when that happens, you can see water particles or raindrops, as you can say, when you pick up the plate. Also, when you heat up the water, it makes water particles in the vapor as well, because it's in a contained place. So it makes water particles inside the glass too. And that is how rain is made. And yeah, so if you want to know how tsunami is made, you can watch my next video, which is going to come soon. Bye.